California sweet spot number 4, Brandini's Toffee out in Palm Springs. An amazing student project that we all get to enjoy. So I am so excited to be at Brandini Toffee for our sweets. And Stephen, tell me the incredible story behind this amazing toffee.
Well, Brandon Weimer and his friend Leah wanted to go on spring break to Italy when they were 15 years old. And they went to their parents like good teenagers do and say, we want to do this, give us the money.
Wait a minute. I don't know why teenagers do that. But anyway, I digress.
And so their parents said, we'll meet you halfway. We'll give you half. We'll kick in spending money, but the rest is on you. And so Brandon went to his friend and said, I think we can finance a trip by selling my toffee. Village Fest on Thursday night, College of the Desert on the weekends. They made enough money to pay for the entire trip. And when they got back from their vacation in Europe, they had so many orders that their parents decided, we've got a business opportunity.
Oh my gosh, so the student project developed into what's become a booming business. Now is this the only location? Where are they?
So there are 4 locations. Rancho Mirage is where all of the products are made, and they have a retail counter. This is the first freestanding store under the Brandini umbrella in downtown Palm Springs, and we are a little over 7 years old. We have a shop at the Cabazon Outlets, which is a little more than 5 years old, and then there's a shop in Century City Westfield Mall, which is our newest location, and we are just a little over 2 years old out there.
So tell me a little bit. I'm a total neophyte to toffee. What should I know about toffee if I'm going to be a connoisseur, or how it's made?
I don't actually know how it's made.
Wow, there we go.
I know the ingredients. Butter and sugar make toffee. And then you throw in time and temperature, and then we embellish it with a layer of semi-sweet dark chocolate and roasted almonds on the top.
Tell me a little bit about this guy.
That is one of our ice cream items. This was actually the first ice cream item that they came up with, was a toffee milkshake, where we use chocolate or vanilla ice cream that we then embellish with the toffee crumbles. And in this location, in downtown Palm Springs, we're actually able to do the shake with a double shot of espresso.
Oh gosh, so not only sweet, but I'm going to be up all night. And part of what the Best of California does is we are very promoting of family, local businesses, and this is kind of the ultimate version of that, a couple of students.
Absolutely it is, and you know, a little hard work and a lot of loyalty from the community has helped us remain consistent through the pandemic.
That's been a tough time for a lot of retailers. Well, we're here at Brandini Toffee in Palm Springs. I'm with Steve and Tift. Thank you, Steve.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming in.
Yeah,
and enjoy your milkshake.
I gotta go get my milkshake. Let's check this out. Okay, I'm gonna try my milkshake with the toffee. Oh, crunchy. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is incredible. Brandini Toffee. Here we are. Voted best candy store in the state of California by Business News. Wow. I can see why. That's good. And that's this episode. Remember to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and tell us why you're the best of California, and we'll come cover you. See you next time.